So many cities and states in Nigeria are currently being destroyed by flood. From Taraba to Kogi State, Anambra, Adamawa, Borno, Bauchi, Gombe, Yobe, Delta, Bayelsa, Rivers, Cross Rivers, and so many other states are all cases of this deadly flood. In September 2022, the Cameroonian government opened up Lagdo Dam to relax pressure on the dam as a result of rising water contained by it. As a result, rivers connected to the dam like River Benue and River Niger in extension are seriously being affected by the overflow of water from the dam. According to reports, this current flood has displaced over 39,500 people and have killed hundreds of people. Where we are at the moment is Yobe, a suburb of the commercial city of Onitsha in Anambra State. Flood has taken over this populated urban area. All the streets, shops, schools, churches, and different places of work in this neighborhood have shut down. People now access their houses with boats. Some people who live downstairs that are heavily affected by the flood have moved out. So many people are going through a lot due to this flood. So many farms have been destroyed. There could be food scarcity in Nigeria as a result of this flood that have destroyed a lot of farms across so many states in the country. Is it every time Cameroon opens Lagdo Dam, Nigeria will get flooded, with many people being killed, displaced, and farmlands destroyed?
Very deep. These shops now, business closed for all of them. Hey! Now wow.
Why can't Nigerian government find a lasting solution to these recurring incidents? Same thing happened in 2012. 10 years later, here we are again. Some people have suggested that River Benue and River Niger should be dredged so that water will have wider channels to flow from River Benue to River Niger straight down into Atlantic Ocean and avoid pushing water into the mainlands when Cameroon opens their Lagdo Dam again. What do you think about this situation? What are your suggestions about how things can get better? Let's hear you out in the comment section.
Some people don't understand the need for all these things that we are doing.
But the government is dying too much.
Yeah. I understand. Yeah.
The government are doing the top I up on it. Madam, the top I the papa, your children, your wife, your husband. Can you not out? Their papa. All the shops in this neighborhood, almost all the shops are closed down. Almost all the shops are closed down. All the shops, the schools, even some homes that this flood entered, some of them are packed out and are now living by the roadside. They had to set up canopies by the roadside, and that's where they live at the moment. It's sad. This is quite sad. We are trying to call the attention of the government to know if anything can happen and if there is anything they can do about this sad situation. Hey, good afternoon. At the deep. At the end, at the deep. What are you doing at the end? With your okay, the deep. Now wow. Oh, people are now using boats. People are now using boats to cross in their own street. They're now using boats to cross. Now, wow.
What of this school now? What of their students of this school?
Everywhere.
Everywhere is closed.
Yeah.
Hey, now wow. Jeez.
Get it done. Yeah, I mean, come back and put it. Don't worry, lie down. Who you be? Mayo. So now, you follow mad news here. Una boca ahí se trancó.